Not bad. Considering how thick that is. Pretty good cut quality. Yes. I mean, that's a 16
That's a heavy hardwood.
16 tooth blade. Very quiet.
Very quiet.
So let's change our blade. We might be ripping some flooring now.
Wow.
We put it into park position. So we'll lower the blade. So over here we might do a park icon. That just sets our blade to about 30 mil, and that allows us to access through the back to change our guard. So we can pop it in here. And put it back in.
How do you change it? How do you dismantle it?
So in here, yep. So we have this little flap through here.
Blade.
Blade stops over here on the back there. And like any saw blade, we're just going in the direction of rotation.
Cuts quicker on a thinner blade, but the disadvantage is you get more flex. So if you're trying to, if you need to be super accurate, like usually,
Yeah, I know, right? Obviously, when we're changing the blade, we
you want to stiff a blade so it doesn't.
that out.
Once the blade gets loaded by the material, it doesn't warp as you
When we're cutting it flies.
Yeah, exactly. But that's also to do with how you're feeding it. So if you're not feeding it perfectly straight,
42. So this is the
What
scope
size
of
is
the
the blade?
It's a 168.
168.
So you can fit it to a standard 160 mil blade,
Yeah.
and we can recalibrate our height settings. Because what we do when we first get the saw, we always set it to exact zero. So depending on your overall diameter, we can recalibrate.
Okay.
So if you
So we can use aftermarket blades. Yeah.
20 mil ball,
Yeah.
1.8 mil thick.
Yeah.
So as long as we're working in that parameter, then you're fine.
yeah, I think I've got a. I might have a. What are the red ones?
Diablo.
Diablo on
Yep,
there at the
yep.
moment. Yeah.
Yep. Did you just recalibrate the height, or you just didn't bother?
It's just
Near enough.
Some people do the other way. So what do I go?
Yep.
Go like
So we
that.
just set
So 30. Okay.
Plastic tractors kick We have got a push stick right here if you do need to use it.
Oh, that's nice.
So if I want to go say on an angle, what do I do?
So we want to make sure we're not too close to this.
Yeah.
So when we're using this guard, we're limited to how close we can be if we want to do an angle.
Okay.
So what we will do, flick this over, and now we can get up closer. So if we still wanted to do 40, but we wanted to bevel that over, we can press this button here and start to dial and so forth.
Holy shit.
So depending on what angle, do you
So
want
let's just go, yeah.
25?
25. So we then don't need to
That's
lock
fine.
anything.
No.
That's it. Boom. Boom. Yeah. Nice cut, yeah?
Yeah.
Effortless. Considering that's quite a hard wood.
No burn, nothing.
Yeah, no burn, no
Cut quality.
no marks.
Yeah, cut quality is there because obviously the speed of the machine, it doesn't, it's not like it drops in speed, and that's where you might get there.
Open for me to see.
So yeah.
That's pretty cool. There's that got. That has the trees on it already.
Yep, so you've got some detents obviously for common stuff.
Everyone loves seeing a lady in the pool.
So even women
Even
can
if she
use
is a
it?
pool.
Yeah, yep, absolutely.
Set on the
These are a lot of presets. So saves us going through the dial and we can just find a preset,
Oh,
hold the button down,
wow.
and now it's going to readjust itself to 0
Straight.
degrees.
Yeah. Oh my god, that's so cool.
When we start getting it through, if you need to, you can use this push stick. Again, keep your fingers further away and to get that cut piece material up there.
So this one goes.
Finger does touch it, you're okay.
Yeah, put it up
So we
against
have
the
that.
fence.
And then we just look at here, we eye it off in here, making sure that we're staying as close to that as we can. Turn her on, and we just feed her in.
Nice, Jules.
There we go. Red button.
There you go.
Hey.
And then you charge $65 a square metre.
The blade stops so quickly too, I just noticed.
So rapid stop brake, obviously it's another
Really
safety
clean. Oh my
feature.
God, look how neat it is.
Yeah.
Talking